Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this inhaler or puffer cover using your Cricut machine. Very easy to make. I'm also going to teach you how to personalize this using HTV or heat transfer vinyl. I'm also going to show you the step-by-step process starting from how to access the free template in Cricut Design Space until you finish this project. All the materials I used as well as where I bought them are all written in the description box below. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app. In the search bar of your homepage, type DIY by Cess and then enter. And then scroll down a little bit. And under Community Members, you'll see DIY by Cess. Click that. And then from here, you can see all of my shared projects. But in this tutorial, we're going to make the inhaler or puffer cover project. So we're going to click that. Then click Edit a Copy. Now this is the template. We don't have to do anything here because it's all ready to go. Just click Make It. And then from here, I'm just going to rotate this piece to a 90-degree angle so that it will fit in my faux leather sheet. And then click Continue. And then you have to choose faux leather paper thin as your base material. If you don't have faux leather paper thin on your bookmark, you can click Browse All Materials. And then type in faux leather in the search bar. And then press Enter. And then click faux leather paper thin and then click Done. And whenever I cut faux leather materials, I always adjust the pressure to more. Now these are some of the materials that I'm going to use. I got them from Amazon. I put the link in the description box below. So I'm going to put the front side of the leather on the green mat or facing the green mat, but it actually doesn't really matter which side you're putting it on because the template doesn't have a front or a back side. Also, if you notice, I'm using a green mat. This green mat is actually almost brand new, so it still sticks good, but it is recommended to use a purple mat when you're cutting a faux leather. Now the small holes are actually not very visible, but they're actually there. Now we need 2 pairs of these snap buttons. So grab the cap of your snap button. Then grab the socket. Attach the socket to the cap part of the button. And then grab your tool. The cap or the flap part of the button goes to this side of the tool. Now be careful on how you put the snap button on because you want to make sure that you can close or you can snap them together. Now for example, if you insert this flat part of the snap button this way, you won't be able to attach them together, so it should be the other way around. So now we can insert this piece like so. And I'm going to use this keychain hook. I got this from Amazon. I put the link in the description box below. And there you go. Now, I'm going to personalize it using HTV or heat transfer vinyl. Now let's go back to our template in Cricut Design Space. And I'm going to click this piece and hide it by clicking this I button. And I'm going to click this one and then click flip and then flip vertical. And then I'm going to change the color. This step is not necessary. And then click text. And I'm just going to add the text that I want on my inhaler cover. And then I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to click this. And I have a few fonts downloaded on my system. So I'm going to click System. And I'm just going to choose Always Having Fun. I downloaded my fonts from Creative Fabrica. Take advantage of Creative Fabrica's $1 for 1 month offer, and I have the link in the description box below. Since I only have this much space to put on my text, I'm going to fix the words to make sure they fit in that space. And then, I'm going to keep pressing the down button of line space to decrease the spacing of the words. And then, I'm going to click the lock button to adjust the size. Now I think this is too squished, so I'm going to make some adjustments. Now I think I like the way it is now. Now I need to hide this piece because I only need to cut my HTV. Now on your layers panel, click on the eye icon to hide this piece. And then click Make It. And make sure you turn the mirror on. And then click Continue. And then for the base material, click Everyday Iron On. So this is my HTV or my iron on. I want to make sure that the iron on is facing shiny side down. Now go to CricutHeatGuide.com. I'll put the link in the description box below. So to apply my HTV or my iron on, I'm going to use my Cricut Mini Press. So I'm going to click this. And then for my heat transfer material, I'm going to click Everyday Iron On. And then for my base material, I'm going to click Faux Leather. And then click Apply. And then it says here to preheat the faux leather for 5 seconds. And then preheat the Cricut Mini Press to low setting. And then constant movement and firm pressure for 30 seconds and slowly remove liner when cool to touch. I'm just using this bottle of sanitizer to help it cool down a little faster. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!